What's good, everybody? As y'all have already seen, this is the new whip. So these headlights are very, very ugly, very yellow. The main plan later on is to switch these out after wintertime, get some all chrome ones, get this whole thing looking good. But for the meantime, we're gonna go ahead and make these things look okay so I can at least see. It's really windy right now, so bear with me. I know I tell my kids don't half-ass, use your full ass, but we're gonna kind of half-ass it today. I found some real old plastic polish that I had from back in the day. Like, I'm talking like when I was 16 years old, maybe. Like, this is really old. I have a sanding block, I guess you would say, and I've got some detail spray with a little bit of water in it. You can just use straight water, but we will just spray this stuff on. And normally you would tape all this off, but like I said, this is just a little beater. So we're just gonna sand out all this stuff on this side. Make sure you don't get it on your paint. You can tape this off if you want to, but for me, we're just gonna be nice with precision. Let me put you guys in a hyper lapse, and let's see the ending result. Ew, it looks worse, doesn't it? It's even more hazier, right? Well, trust the process. All right, so step one's done. I made a mistake and I used 2 quarts of a grit. This is probably about a 400 grit. Would not recommend. Why? Because look at those scratches. You see all those scratches? So get 1,000 grit, 1,500, or 2,000 right there, 1,500. So now we're gonna go sand this to get out those scratches and get this looking good again. Check that out. Fresh after the 1,500 grit, those big scratches that were in there are out. Now we're gonna hit it with this 10-year-old plastx polish. Let's see how it does. That might take a second. Let's get some power tools. Holy crap, look at that. After one application of this is 10 plus years old. I'm just saying 10 years old. I think it's older than that, but guys, smooth. And remember, I'm replacing these, so this is just to make this look good for wintertime again. But oh my gosh, that 1,500 grit did such a wonder. And this, man, I'm gonna put another coat on top of this and we're done. So this is 10 plus years old. So shout out to Meguiars for making some great products. This isn't sponsored, but Meguiars, let's change that. Reach out, or I'll reach out to y'all. Anyways, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.